Hey good people, Batavia here. It's time to dig sweet potatoes. Okie doke, so after many days of off and on again rain, we also had our first frost yesterday, overnight, or early this morning. And I knew I wouldn't have time to dig up all of these sweet potatoes. So I cut the leaves, and then I also covered it with a very thick layer of leaves. These aren't shredded, so I wouldn't use these for like ultimate mulch, just because when I've used whole leaves before, it's really created like a matted surface over the course of spring and winter and so on. But for this, it's perfect. I'm going to uncover these and we're going to start digging for sweet potatoes. The soil is so wet, and I want to try to be careful here.